YouTube. Today I'd like to show you how to do the bus stop method division. A lot of students have trouble with division. It's actually not that difficult. All you need to do is to have a solid technique. Now I know that nowadays we teach the shorthand method quite a bit, where we write everything up on one line. We do a lot of the subtraction in our minds. But I think that first, before we get to that level, we should actually learn to show the subtraction really well and explain what we're doing so that we don't make any mistakes and so that we make sure that we get it right. And once we've got that down, then we can do the shorthand technique, and that's okay, right? So let's do the long way, which is, quite the explicit way, we could say. So if I wanted to see how many times I could divide 12,246 by 3, I can say how many times does 3 go into 1? Well, it doesn't. So then I look at the next two-digit pack, which is how many times does 3 go into 12? Well, it goes 4 times. So I can write a 4 up here, and then I can say that 4 times 3 is 12, and I can do 12 minus 12 here, and that's going to be 0. So then I have to drop the next digit down, and the next digit is a 2. Okay, so now I can ask myself the following question: how many times does 3 go into 2? Well, it doesn't. So if it doesn't, I need to stick a 0 up here, and I can drop the next digit down, which is a 4. So how many times does 3 go into 24? Well, it goes 8 times. So I'll say 8, and I can say 8 times 3 is 24, and 24 minus 24 is 0, and I drop the 6 down. So now I can ask myself how many times 3 fits into 6, and it fits in twice. And so that's the answer to my question, 4,082. So the explicit way is that what you do is you actually write the number 12 here, and you do the subtraction 12 minus 12, and you show that you're doing it. The implicit way is that you would just do 4 times 3 is 12, and you wouldn't show this at all. You just drop the 2 down. So you just do 4 times 3, you write the remainder, and you drop the 2 down. So I'm not showing you how to do this today, but if you want to go faster, that's your next level. Now for this one, it's a 2-digit number, a little bit trickier, but very, very similar. How many times does 11 go into 4? It doesn't. I don't need to write the 0. I can just think, okay, because it's the first digit, I don't need to say 0 something, like a number doesn't start from 0. So I can ask myself then, how many times does 11 go into 49? 11's a relatively easy number to multiply because it's 2 repeated digits very often. So I can say 4 times 11 is 44, and then when I do 49 minus 44, I'm left with a 5, and I drop this 5 down, and now I do the same thing. How many times does 11 go into 55? It goes 5 times, and so 45 is the answer to this question. 55 minus 55 is 0, and this is how you do the bus stop method. Now, there's no remainders here, so it's actually relatively straightforward. If there were remainders, then you have like decimals, and we can work on this a little bit more. I'll cover this on another video, which will probably be bus stop division level 2. So we're going to label this level 1, right? And if you'd like to see more of our content, then you can follow our channel at Mathemagic MD. You can like our videos and subscribe. We appreciate the support. In the meantime, this is Bus Stop Division, Level 1.